What's up, everybody? The one and only Dawood from Dr.Mission here to help you guys out how to make an easy smoothie. Now, the extra ingredients, which are the ones on top, are not necessary but are optional. And this is a banana, papaya, persimmon smoothie. And what you're going to need, of course, is the banana, persimmon, and papaya. Papaya is not there yet, but it will be dropping in a few. You're going to need half a cup of almond milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, agave, turmeric, and our Herbal Infused sea moss, which is going to contain 90% of the minerals that the body needs, along with other benefits that we added from the herbs that we use. And there goes that papaya I was talking about. There you are, baby. Yeah, you look so cute. Mwah. So, here we have it. Going into how you want to start making it. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you have, good fruits and eating them when they're meant to be eaten. So when you eat bananas, you want to make sure they have a little bit of brownness on them. You don't want to eat them when they're extremely yellow and have a little bit of green. Persimmons. A lot of people never had persimmons before, and they are good when they look bad. So once they have them little brown spots, as you see quickly over there, they're good to go. And that's what my camera wanted to drop. So papayas, also, my mom told me that it would be a good combination to add to it, just intuitively, and it makes a lot of sense being that they're the same colors. And when it comes to fruits, a lot of times less is more because you can overkill it with too many fruits, but this is a perfect combination. The seeds, you want to hold on to your papaya seeds because, again, like I said, the seeds are really good to detox, and you can just pop them in your mouth right there or save some for later, but they're really good for detoxing your digestive system. They're a bit bitter. So now that we have everything cut up, we're going to get ready to throw it in our smoothie. I leave a few seeds in there because it doesn't hurt to add a few of them into your smoothie. You won't taste it. See the persimmons looking nice and brown. Start tossing everything in. Make sure you cut it good enough to not destroy your blender and that delicious persimmon right there. Oh. I forgot to mention, you want to add a few dates. You can. Raisins as well. Good source of fiber and help the sweetness of it. Not like it's already sweet, but agave a little bit. And turmeric, good for blood circulation, as well as the cinnamon here too as well. Good for circulation and blood. And our sea moss here, which is going to make things to the next level. It's going to have 90% of the body's minerals that you need, as well as 21 other different herbs that are good for libido, blood, heart, and brain. So I'm adding at least 3 different scoops into it. Not 3 different, but 3 scoops, about a tablespoon or so, topping that off with almond milk. You can use any nut or seed milk or water, but none of the dairy stuff. From there, I added a nutmeg afterwards. Don't follow how I did it. Use a grater. I did cut myself a little bit, but I just like to take things to the edge and be a little risky because it's cooler. But you will get chopped. But it wasn't that bad, so you know what I mean. Chop a little nutmeg in there. It's going to be good for your blood and circulation and taste amazing. So now that we have everything in the smoothie, we want to blend everything up, and I am recording this over, so that's why my voice is not linking up with the lips. But after you have everything in the smoothie, you want to press zoom and blend it up and get ready to enjoy. Now for the most important part, the taste. Mine is my first time making it. Who did this? Who did this right here? Who did this?
Dawood.
It was good. This was fine. This is a hitter.
Baby.
This is a hitter. Definitely try this out. Try this recipe at home. Let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Instagram.